If your energy is low, your brain's in a fog, and dinner is a daily struggle, you're not alone. I know what it's like to be a high achieving woman stepping into motherhood, driven, goal oriented, and used to pushing through. But somewhere between chasing success and chasing toddlers, I hit a wall. I realized burnout wasn't how I wanted to show up, not for myself and not for my family. So I had to reimagine what success really means. I started aligning my calendar to my values and prioritizing wellness that actually fits into my real life. Now I'm letting you in on how to do the same. Welcome to Wellness That Fits, the podcast that helps busy moms eat well, restore energy, and ditch brain fog, all without sacrificing family time or your sanity. I'm Cassie Groeschl, registered dietitian and mom of three, and I believe wellness should fit your real life, not the other way around. Each week, you'll get practical tips rooted in my 4 pillars of wellness: food as medicine, sustainable meal planning and meal prep, holistic wellness routines, and family connection. No trends, no guilt, just real life strategies to help you feel your best, physically, mentally, and emotionally. So if you're ready to take care of you while still showing up fully for your family, hit follow and join me every week for Wellness That Fits.